I will tell a joke, but I will not tell a lie. Hey friends, welcome back to Life with Tamika Lynn. I hope you are having a fabulous day. I want to wish you guys a happy new year. We are fresh into 2026 and I just hope that it started off wonderful for you guys. I'm praying that 2026 is one of the best yet. I mean, there were so many things that transpired in 2025. Just in general in the world, I had family, friends impacted. It was just a trying time. And I mean, it's just a trying time in this day and age. So my hope for 2026 for you guys, I just hope that kindness can be your default setting. It's so easy, to just become so overwhelmed and just blow off the handle so quick. But I really hope kindness can be all of our default setting. I hope that we have a very prosperous and healthy new year. I hope that we can just enjoy and love life to the fullest this year. I hope that at the beginning of the year, we were all able to just reset and just focus on those things that matter and those things that are going to make us the best possible humans ever. So since I got that out of the way, I am super excited for today's video. If you can't tell, this video, I was actually contacted by a handbag brand, Verano, and they specialize in affordable yet stylish luxury. Affordable luxury is how I would put it, but they specialize in affordable looks, basically for less, that are extremely stylish. They're a very popular brand now that I've done my research, but I was contacted by them and they offered to send me a few handbags in exchange for an honest review. So that's what I'm doing today. I have received the bags. I opened them up, but we'll talk all about the whole process as far as ordering and receiving. It was a piece of cake. The delivery happened, without a hitch, and I'm excited to share with you guys. So if you are interested, I would love for you to stick around. So as you guys know, I am such a handbag girly. I absolutely love handbags, and they make my heart sing. I can wear a trash bag as long as my handbag is hot because I will make anything look good. But when Verano reached out to me, I wasn't very familiar with the brand, so I instantly started doing research and I was blown away. I'm just being quite honest with you. Their designs were just so different, so unique, and they looked like they were very good quality. So I took a look at their website, and one of the first things I noticed is that everything is ethically sourced. They describe their bags as redefining luxury. And when I took a look at the handbags themselves, I honestly, there were so many I would not have mind adding to my collection, but I had to choose 3. So it was very hard for me to narrow down those 3. But once I did narrow those down, I had, dialogue with the company, and then the bag shipped out to me. I received my tracking number very quickly. And once the bag shipped, and it was over Christmas, it was during the holidays. So, mail was a lot for the post office or what have you. But once I received my tracking number, I, tracked my order, and it was definitely delivered on time. I received it without a hitch, and here we are today. Now, one of the things I will say is that looking at their website, I truly believe you guys will find something that you like as well, but they're also offering a buy one, get one free sale for the month of January. So I would encourage you to take a look. If you're interested, take advantage of this sale. But anyways, let's get into the 3 bags that I chose, and I think you'll like them too. What I decided on when I chose my 3 bags is I wanted more smaller bags that could be used more so for date night, evenings, hanging out with my girls, going to brunch. I just wanted smaller bags. I don't really have a lot of small bags in my collection, so I wanted to be able to have something that I really did not have so that I could get the most use out of it. So starting strong with my first choice, when I saw this bag, I fell in love with the bag. I just thought it was just so unique. I had never seen a design like this, so I thought it was extremely, extremely pretty. And that bag was the Vienna Handbag. Now this is in the color dark brown, and it is genuine leather. What impressed me the most when I opened this, and I have opened all the bags, guys, just to give you that heads up, but they all came in a dust bag, and this bag did come wrapped for protection. The handles were wrapped, it was stuffed. The little ball on the bottom was covered with plastic. So the detail to protecting the bag was very, very good. But what drew me to this bag initially was the design. If you could see, it has this little ball right here, and it's flat, so it's like a foot, right? But it looks almost like a shoe. Looking at it, it almost looks like a shoe. But the design itself was just so extremely different, and I didn't have anything like this in my collection. I don't even believe I have a dark brown handbag in my collection. So I just was like, oh, this is perfect. Now, inspecting the bag, this seems to be real brass, if you could hear that. But the handle is so sturdy. Definitely very good quality. The same with this bottom ball down here. When you sit it down, it does sit flat, so definitely impressed about that. Now the bag does have a magnetic closure right here, and the bag did come with a little, like a clutch, like a coin purse or something, whatever you would consider this, but it did come with a little insert, which I thought was really nice. And the bag does also have a strap. Now I didn't unwrap the strap because, knowing me, more than likely I wouldn't carry it with the strap, but I will insert a few mod shots at the end of the video, and I will add the strap at that time. But I definitely love this combination so very much. And I think I will get a lot of wear out of this. I'm so excited to take it for a spin. But yeah, this was the Vienna handbag, and I'm definitely happy with this choice. Number 2, coming in strong again, is a black little clutch. Now this is called the Lucia Handbag. You guys know, if you've been around for a while, I lived in Italy for 4 years, so in Italian it would be Lucia. But when I saw this bag, I was like, oh, this is perfect. I need a little black clutch. I could wear it as a clutch with no handle, or there's a little top handle that you can wear it, you know, with. There is this gold detail right here, and it's actually the button twists to open. And then, as I told you guys, all of the bags came stuffed. I will show you quickly the inside. And there is a little pocket right here where you could put cards, ID. This bag would definitely hold a wallet. My cell phone would fit, some lipstick, lip gloss, a little compact, whatever this bag would fit it. It's small, but yet it's not small to where it's unrealistic, and the only thing you could fit are your hopes and dreams. You could actually fit items in this bag as well. Super excited for this one. I don't have a black clutch in my collection. I do have like different inserts that go with bigger bags in my collection that I could, you know, use as a clutch, but I don't have like a designated, you know, black clutch that's like stylish to where it's a statement piece on its own. So when I saw this, I absolutely loved it so very much. The leather, very soft, supple. I think the craftsmanship is very, very good. Super excited to use this purse. I think this is gonna be great. But this was the Lucia handbag. So bag number 3 was a completely different style for me. The first 2 handbags I showed you guys were genuine leather. This particular handbag is actually vegan leather, and I didn't have anything vegan leather in my collection, so I wanted to give it a try, and I'm really glad I did. So this is the Joyce Shoulder Handbag, and it has an adjustable strap. You can adjust it right here by pressing this little button. Super cool feature. Now the strap itself is this gold chain, and it has the vegan leather woven throughout it. And the bag is just such a little cutie. It's like this intricate woven design. It does have a snap button closure, if you could hear that. very strong closure. And then the inside, let me open it up for you guys. It has a side pocket that zips, so you could easily slip like your ID, driver's license, a few credit cards on a night out. And then on the inside of the bag, it definitely would fit my phone. I have a 14 Pro Max. It would fit a little wallet, a card holder. I could definitely get in some lip gloss, compact mirror if needed. Yeah, it would fit everything I need. My car keys. I think I could definitely just pick it up, grab it, and go. So I have plans for this bag. Now, you can definitely remove the strap. I probably will leave the strap on because to me it's very aesthetically pleasing. But what I probably will do is make it very short and keep it as like an accent piece, almost like a bag charm per se. So when I carried it, I would definitely carry it with the strap attached, make it short, and carry it like this. I think that will be so cute. I already have outfits picked out, you know, for all these bags. I'm so excited for when I could do the next date night. My husband is actually traveling, so once he's home, I cannot wait. But if I make it to my hometown, you know, I'll definitely bring some of these bags so that me and my girls can, you know, go out to brunch or something like that. But these are the 3 lovely handbags I picked up from Verano Hill. I am super, super thankful for the opportunity, and I'm just super happy to add these bags to my collection. Now, don't forget, as I mentioned, they are doing a buy one, get one free sale in the month of January, so take advantage. Take their website. You guys might find something that you like. You know, I'm a handbag girly, so if I'm telling you, definitely take heed. I will tell a joke, but I will not tell a lie. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, and until next time, be safe.